Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, it seems like the trading week is winding down. We didn't have any fireworks today, so prices just moved sideways, and it still is. And it seems like it tries to react here currently to resistance. When I made the last video, I said, look, we might get that C wave to the upside. Primary scenario is that we see a bit of a reaction here to this resistance area between 20. Well, I actually added the 38.2 fib level to show it, but I will take it off because price is already above it. But the idea is that obviously we have a chance that this B wave topped on Thursday, and that we're now in the C wave to the downside. That is what we're currently investigating. 5 waves down. As key target, I've got something around the 28K area. But if we see further waves form, we can reissue that target more precisely. It's a bit of a moving target. 28K is sort of my start, and then we can refine that a little as we go lower. So the idea is anyway that we formed an A wave, which bottomed on the 18th of July. That was on Tuesday. That we rallied in 3 waves. I currently consider the B wave as complete, but we need to be flexible at this stage because we haven't got full clarity. So it's not entirely clear yet if the B wave really topped on Thursday. I currently assume it did because the move afterwards was impulsive to the downside, and the move up is now again corrective into resistance. So we are rallying into resistance in a corrective way. We already had an initial rejection here today, and price currently doesn't make any impression it will break above resistance. But we need to be flexible. I'm leaning towards a more direct sell-off. I explained that in the previous video as well, even though I would say I'm fairly neutral between, yes, the B wave is still ongoing, and this is a wave 2, and we will very shortly go down in a third wave. But I'm leaning towards we are going down in a third wave already, the third wave of a C wave. The reason is that we came down off this fib level. So the reaction to the fib level happened. We came down quite impulsively, and again, the move up is currently corrective, which indicates that the bears are still fairly strong. So it can still move higher. I mean, the next fib levels are here, 61.8 fib at 30.1K, so 30,100. The 78.6 fib level at 30,240. Only a sustained break above that level will make me prefer that the B wave is still running and that it indeed didn't top yesterday on Thursday. But anyway, it doesn't make a great difference, to be honest. The idea is in both scenarios that the rally to the upside is corrective, and that we find a rejection in the resistance areas, that the rally is going to fail either in this resistance area. I mean, that's the more imminent one. And if we break above that, then in the larger one, which would allow for a rally potentially all the way up to 31,350. That is possible, absolutely. I currently don't primarily expect it, however. And then we should sell off, but probably not. I mean, unless something surprising happens on the weekend, but I don't think it will. So maybe next week we see that sell-off to the downside. As I just need to think, do we have anything exciting next week? I need to double check that. I will update you on the weekend. But so far, yeah, what we need to see for confirmation that the third wave to the downside is playing out, we need to see a break below what I have labeled here as wave 1 low and the A wave low, and that is support at 29,540. 550, 540. It's a little bit too dynamic to just call one price point, but it's sort of here, the area where we had the wave 1 low and the A wave low. It needs to break below that in an impulsive fashion, and then the third wave should come down. Now we can establish a target for the third wave, because now, to be honest, we have a potential wave 1 down. Well, I have not really any confirmation that the wave 2 has topped, but let's just measure that. Then the third wave then should take us down to around 28,660. And then we should get a fourth and a fifth. I mentioned yesterday already the target of approximately 28K. it's just at the moment an idea and a moving target. But someone asked me in the comments, how would that work out with the subwaves? Well, here you have a good example, because if the third wave moves down to the 1.618 extension, we're here at 28,660. We should then get a fourth wave pullback, and the fifth wave sometimes goes to the 2.618 extension. That would be around 27.8K. I think that comes close enough. We're too far away from the target to really call a very, very specific target, but I think we're getting into the right region there. Good. I think that's my update about Bitcoin at the moment. I hope you all will have a great weekend. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.